Alright everyone, today I'm bringing you another way to unlock the screen pattern password. This time I have a Samsung A30. I'm gonna show you how to remove the password or PIN if you've forgotten it. In some cases you need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna press at the same time on this screen here both the volume down and the power button together. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, let go of the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. This procedure will erase everything that's on your phone's memory, so remove your SIM card and also your memory card. So let's do it. I'll show you here to make it easier. You're gonna press what I told you, volume down and power, and hold them until the device restarts. Let's wait for it to finish restarting. Now release the volume down, press the volume up since it has already restarted. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. If it doesn't work on your first try, just repeat the process but this time use the cable, okay? Keep holding the volume up button. Just a few more seconds. In a moment it will enter recovery mode. Keep holding. There you go. Once you reach this screen, I want to remind you that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, our number is in the description. We can perform this unlock remotely. You can contact me to check the price for unlocking your device. Once you reach this screen, use the volume down button to go down to the fifth option where it says IP data factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down with the volume down button and confirm again. On this next screen, we'll wait for the information to load so we can continue with our unlocking process. Just a few more seconds. There you go. Once you reach this screen, just confirm. At this point, your device is already being unlocked and formatted. You'll see that it will restart without that default lock screen password. If this video helped you, and if you're able, please consider making a contribution to our channel. Our pics is in the video description. It doesn't matter how much. What matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.